Hey everyone, Dr. Crockett here from Utah Spinal Works, coming at you from Highland, Utah. So today we're going to talk about golf and how we can golf longer, better, and more often. So it's kind of longevity and injury resilience is today's topics. So there's four things that I want to address. The number one is going to be injuries, right? So if you have any injuries, or if you're golfing and you have low back pain, if you have shoulder pain, knee pain, any type of thing when you're golfing or just throughout the day, get it assessed. So I'm one of those people too. If something's bothering me, I'm like, it'll just go away. But if it's persistent, and it's not going away, which likely it won't, come in and get assessed. We can assess your golf swing. We can assess all the structures. So I have a video all about that, about what we can do for those assessments. Next, what you want to do to help your golf game is warm-ups, okay? So I have a video about warm-ups, and what you can do, it's a standing warm-up. It takes about 5 minutes is all. So you can do it, you want to warm up before you go to the driving range, before each round of golf. Pretty much anytime you get your clubs out and you're going to be hitting them, you want to do those warm-ups. Next, you want to do exercises, frequent exercises. So if you have low back pain, I do have a video about specific exercises for low back pain. If there's something else going on, pain somewhere else, I can give you some specific exercises for that pain. But just overall exercising, getting on the treadmill or stationary bike, or just getting out hiking, something like that. Physical exercise is going to help your golf game. Okay, so exercising is huge to keep you golfing longer. And then lastly, it's going to be optimal performance care. So coming in to the chiropractor once a week to once a month, depending on the level of which you play, is going to help you perform optimally. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that your joints, your spine, all stay functional, right? Because over time, if you don't use it, you lose it. So what we want to do is make sure that you continue to not have pain and continue to have function in all those, the spine and the joints. And that optimal performance care, if you are kind of like an average golfer, you golf maybe like once a month or something like that. You don't get out a ton, but when you do, it's like not your best game. Once a month is fine, right? If you're more competitive, like you're in a men's league and you're golfing 2-3 times a week, you should be coming in once a week for that optimal performance care. And if you're somewhere in between, come somewhere in between. Every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. We fine-tune that optimal performance care for each individual, and all of our treatment plans are individualized for you. So if you're having back pain or any pain while you're golfing, if you want to golf longer, better, more often, give us a call, 801-770-4333, or visit us online at utahspinalworks.com.